Meera lived with her mother in a small apartment in Mumbai. She was not happy about her life. She always felt pretty boring and she was upset about her life. She always feel no one at her office keep attention on her. She worked as a secretary in a big large corporation, and she basically doesn't like to even go for the work. She doesn't like anything in the world, basically speaking. So one day, on the way to her office in the morning, she found a new jewelry shop was opened on the street. So she went inside the jewelry shop. She started looking at each and every ornaments. She saw one beautiful necklace at the corner. She went and took the necklace and put it on. She found herself beautiful, and people at the jewelry started looking at her. And one salesman came and told her, "Ma'am, you look so beautiful with this necklace." She felt so happy. A lady who came to purchase, she came to her and looked at the necklace and told, "It's very beautiful. You look so pretty in this necklace." So Meera felt so happy. Her happiness increased. And a couple of people at the jewelry shop started looking at her. Some people smiled at her. She felt so happy. She stood in front of a mirror and she felt she is so pretty and she was feeling so happy that day. So she decided to buy that ornament, that necklace. She went at the cash counter, paid the bill. She started her journey towards her office. So that day, she was feeling so happy, and even she started getting the feeling of fresh air, good car horns, and the good street, people around her. And still on the way, at one coffee shop, a very senior executive looked at her and smiled at her, which made her happiness double. And when she reached at her office was at the third floor. So inside the lift, couple of people smiled at her. Again, she was like her happiness became more and more. She reached her office at the reception. The receptionist welcomed her with a smile and wishing her a great morning and told her, "Madam, you look so pretty today." She feels so happy. She started doing her work. Couple of people came to her. They also told the same thing. "You look so beautiful today." She felt so happy. And fortunately, her boss called her to join for the lunch. He wanted to ask how Meera's life is going on. She had a beautiful, delicious lunch with her boss that day. And that marvelous day, she was so happy. And evening, she decided to catch a cab. She took a cab and went back to home. After dropping the cab, even the cab driver looked at her and smiled at her. She felt so happy, and with all those joiners, she entered inside the house. When her mother opened the door, the mother also told Meera, "You look so beautiful today. You look so energetic today." Meera's happiness became something amazing. She told mom, "Mother, it's all because of the necklace I wore." The mother looked surprisingly at her and asked, "Meera, what necklace? Which necklace you are talking about?" Then Meera realized there is no necklace she was wearing. She started worrying. Where did she lost that necklace? She started thinking, was it in the cab, or was it at office, or was it on the road? Finally, she understood it was at the cash counter of the jewelry shop. When she paid the bill, after paying the bill, she forgot to collect the necklace from the cash counter. And what I want to really say is, it is How did Meera felt so happy that day? It was not because of the necklace. She believed or she felt as if she was wearing that beautiful necklace that made her happy, and that reflected on entire her day, right? So what I really want to say you all is the quality of our life is all depends on the quality of our thoughts. If you are generating a positive quality thoughts, your life will be always resulting with a positive quality, right? So you must understand how to manage your thoughts, how to generate positive thoughts, and those positive thoughts, how to take into action, right? So, friends, I would like to invite you for my masterclass, Thought to Action. You know, thoughts are the most powerful energy in the world. Everything started from a thoughts, is it? Like you see the big building outside, or the aeroplane, or even anything in the world. It may be the mobile which you're currently using, or your laptop, or the internet, or anything in the world. Everything was in the form of a thought at the beginning. From the thought, it became things, right? So, as Buddha said, what you think, you became, right? So, basically, whatever the quality of your life is all depends on your thoughts, right? So, what inside is matter outside. So, what I want to say is, in this masterclass, I am going to teach you how to generate positive thoughts. If you are someone who generate more negative thoughts, of course, your life will be ending up in a negative result, right? So, in this masterclass, I am going to teach you how to generate more positive thoughts and how to convert those thoughts into an action. We generate many thoughts in a life, right? So, on an average, we generate around 35,000 to 70,000 thoughts in a day, and most of the thoughts are negative thoughts, right? So, I'll be teaching you scientifically what is a thoughts and how the thoughts are getting generated, how powerful the thought is, how to generate more positive thoughts, and how to convert those positive thoughts into an action, right? So the link to register for the masterclass is mentioned in the description. So click on the link and register for the masterclass. Let us meet at the masterclass. And before winding up, I would like to request all you, if you're not yet subscribed the channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the like button, comment in the comment box, and share this video with your loved one. So thank you very much. Wishing you all a happy and successful life.